Welcome to the Duramix 8000, SuperKlean's premier steam and cold water mixing station. This unit operates with as little as 30 psi water and steam pressure, all the way up to 150 psi, giving users a high degree of flexibility to meet all of their washdown needs. We hope this animation helps you better understand the mechanisms that make this one of the most reliable mixers on the market. To begin operating the unit, open the cold water valve to allow cold water to fill the mixing chamber and hose. Next, turn the red steam valve, allowing steam to enter the steam chamber. In order to prevent live steam from exiting the unit and harming users, 30 psi of cold water is required to push the piston and open the steam poppet. By activating the nozzle, the water will begin to flow and the poppet will open. This will allow steam to enter the mixing chamber and create hot water at a maximum temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Releasing the trigger will stop water flow and the steam poppet will once again close. In the event that the cold water supply is suddenly cut off, this mechanism allows for an automatic shutoff feature which ensures that live steam will not pass through the unit and harm the user.